Tired to begin constantly bombarded with unwanted Snapchat notification? In this video I'll guide you how to disable time-sensitive notification on Snapchat, allowing you to regain control over your notification settings. Make sure to watch the entire video for a comprehensive understanding of the tutorial. To begin, open the setting app on your phone and scroll down until you locate Snapchat. Once you found it, tap on the Snapchat option. From there, select Notifications. Currently, time-sensitive notifications are enabled for Snapchat, causing them appear immediately and remain on your lock screen for an hour, even when you're in focus mode or do not disturb mode. If you wish to avoid the annoyance of time-sensitive notification, simply toggle off the switch. Congratulations! You've successfully disabled time-sensitive notification on Snapchat. Now you can enjoy a more peaceful notification experience. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any question regarding this process, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.